Hello. If you're new here, do not know me, my name is Keilidh. I'm an Irish makeup artist and today I'm going to be giving you my March favourites. So this video is in collaboration with Cloud10. If you guys follow me on my own pages then you know that I am going to be working with Cloud10 an awful lot this year. We've got some super exciting things coming up. Already this year I've done a competition with Cloud10 whereas I'm bringing a lovely follower of mine and her friend over to see the Makeup by Mario masterclass, which is insane. You're bringing you loads of cool competitions, loads of cool videos. So yeah, if you want to see my March favourites of everything you can get off Cloud10, then just keep on watching. So if you guys don't know already, Cloud10 is an Irish based brand, obviously in Ireland, but it delivers worldwide, and what it does is it stocks loads of different brands, loads of different products on their website so that you can buy it all in bulk in one. And also if you live in the UK or Ireland or Europe or that, you don't have to pay smelly customs, as I like to call them. Smelly customs if you're ordering from a different country such as America. So you can get all your lovely makeup all in the one spot without smelly customs. Great. I'm going to be telling you my favourite products, but I'm also going to be showing you how to apply them also. All the products in this video today are on my face right now, so I will be showing you how I apply them. And yes, without further ado, let's get stuck in. So first off, I have some skincare bits that I've been absolutely loving recently. I have got a full skincare routine over on my own channel, but these are just a few extra bits that I have incorporated in and that I've been using this past month. So the skincare products that I have been using are from Nip and Fab. I know they actually have a new collection out as well, new makeup collection that's released on Cloud10, but I'm going to be talking about the skincare products. So I've got kind of dry, dehydrated skin, so I love something that's going to make me like super hydrated and just super, I don't know, youthful looking, I guess. We want to look like fresh out of the womb. This is the goals here, alright? So the first product that I use is the Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. It actually makes your skin look so like plump and hydrated. The Nip and Fab have got this Dragon's Blood range and it's super good for anyone who's got dry, dehydrated skin, as it has, I can never say this right, hyaluronic acid, which is unbelievable for dry, dehydrated skin. Hydrates for a plumper looking skin, the Velvet Flower enhances moisturization, and the Dragon's Blood comforts, restores through skin hydration. God, I didn't actually realize that there was such thing as Dragon's Blood. That's a thing. I will say this in my videos, I always get asked by like clients and stuff, how do I get flawless skin? How do I get like supermodel skin? Honestly, it starts with your skincare, so I really would recommend investing in your skincare. Another thing that I'm absolutely obsessed with then is the Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Shot. So it's actually just this little pump, and what you do basically is you mix it in with your moisturizer and it just gives your skin that extra little boost of moisturization. So basically you want to add 2 drops of this to your day or night moisturizer or serum to boost hydration effect. Can also be applied directly to skin as a targeted overnight concentrate, so you can apply it by itself just overnight. Masks as well, I'm absolutely obsessed with using masks. Alright, I love them, especially after playing when your skin does being shite. Extreme one, and then there is normal one. You only leave these on for 15 minutes. Cloud10 have loads of little masks that I've been trying. They've got the Star Skin range as well. If you're big into your masks, they have loads of like Korean skincare. Korea is very good for their skincare apparently. Nip and Fab do have a glycolic range if you've got more oily skin. I honestly just can't use glycolic on my skin. I just have really sensitive skin. But if you have really oily skin, they do have a glycolic range which might suit your skin better as opposed to the Dragon's Blood stuff. Moving on then, we're going to prep our skin just a little bit more because you can never prep your skin enough. I'm using the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. So I like to apply this before and after my makeup. It hydrates, illuminates and sets your face, and it has a 16-hour wear in it. Now, the reason why I love setting sprays so much is just because they make any powder on your skin just like melt into your face. It's super important. I cannot leave the house without spraying my face with this. So the beauty blender you can also get off Cloud10. It was their original sponge, beauty blender sponge. This is the original one. You can get it off the website. Beauty blender I find is definitely the softest sponge on the market. I have been switching in between it and Techniques one. I do really like the two of them, but this is 100% the softest sponge you will use, and it's just, this is my old Scaldy one by the way. As you can see, I love it. It just blends your makeup so seamlessly. What I love about beauty blenders is the fact that they don't it's impossible for your makeup to come on cakey because it takes off any excess product. If you are someone who prefers more full coverage, then of course you can get a full coverage with the Beauty Blender, obviously. But a brush that is unbelievable is the Sigma F80 Flat Kabuki brush. Okay, no, I think my sister nicked my other one on me, so good thing I have this. Beauty Expert Award winner, so it's a really, really good foundation brush. It's actually in like a triangle shape, so it's really good for getting like underneath the eye. Foundation brushes are great if you want kind of more fuller coverage, and they're a little bit quicker, but whatever you decide. 510 Arstock and Sigma, which is a huge American brand, so it's great that we can get it over here. I believe their products are actually really cheap, and I believe they're cruelty and vegan friendly. Okay, this product, guys, is life-changing. You have to be ready for this. All right, sit down, get comfortable. So this product is the Keilidh'S Sensual Skin Enhancer Concealer. So it comes in a little pot like this. This is what it looks like here. I have been using this now for the past few weeks. This concealer is so full coverage, so full coverage. It completely gets rid of any bags underneath the eyes. I have the shade SX04, so it isn't a super brightening concealer. As you can see, underneath my eyes isn't like super bright, but it's the perfect shade for when I am wearing a tan. It kind of just very lightly brightens underneath my eyes, but it just conceals any dark circles. It is insane. You only need the teeniest amount of this product. I cannot stress that enough. I like to work it in with my finger first, just because the heat from your finger kind of melts the product in that little bit more, since it is quite thick. And then I go in my beauty blender afterwards just to make sure it's blended into my skin seamlessly. You can use this concealer for so many things. Mix it in with like your moisturizer. You can actually into like a light coverage foundation. You can use it to carve out your eyebrows as a base to your eyeshadow. This concealer for like covering any blemishes is ridiculous. It just is unbelievable. Now it is a little bit more on the pricier side, but it will last you a lifetime. Like, you will never have to buy another concealer after this. Like, the amount in it is ridiculous. Keilidh'S, I feel, is a brand that kind of mainly only makeup artists know about, that I feel the general public should know about. If any of you guys have been following me for a while, then you know I'm obsessed with this product. It's just so, mine's absolutely filthy. No judgment, please. It's the Sosu Contouring Kit. I take it everywhere with me, hence why it looks like this. This is what it looks like here. So you have your cream products and your powder products. Super easy when traveling. This contouring shade is what I use on my skin because I've got quite dry skin. I don't like layering loads of powder. I like to apply a cream bronzer first and then apply a powder on top. It just stops me from looking really cakey. It stops me from looking really dry. And this is the perfect bronze shade. I don't really like to cream contour as much as I love to cream bronze, and this shade is just so warm. It just makes you super sun-kissed looking, super easy to use, super creamy as well. It's just the best. Shade 1 I use for highlighting. I don't use it as a concealer as much. I just find it just doesn't compare to the Keilidh'S when wanting to cover up bags. But it is really good for a highlight, and if you want to highlight the center of your face, but only using the tiniest amount because it is super bright. Shade 3 then I use, as you can see, just for like setting underneath the eyes, making sure my concealer is set in place. It also helps it brighten as well, and it has got that slight yellow undertone to it, so it's going to cancel out any like blue tones. I just really enjoy that product. Really enjoy. That's like my third one that I'm on. So my favorite bronzer at the moment is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is just a staple, alright? I feel like Benefit, all their products are staples, aren't they? Like, if you think about it, you've got the Hoola bronzer, you've got all their mascaras are killer. Their brow products are second to none. Like, Benefit really hit it out of the park, I feel like, every single time with their products, and this is just one of the amazing products they've come out with. So it's the Benefit Hoola bronzer. You will see this all over YouTube constantly because it's just unreal. No matter what bronzer I like venture away off with, I have a little play with, I always come back to this one because it's just unreal. I love it. Moving on to one of my favorite parts of makeup ever. It's not even recently, it's just always, again, similar to the Benefit bronzer, this is a staple in so many people's makeup bags, and it's the Balm Mary Lou Manizer highlighter. And only the tiniest amount of this is needed. It's super blinding. It doesn't bring out your texture too much. It's just gorgeous. Oh guys, this highlighter, I mean, again, from Keilidh'S, the shade Candlelight. This is what it looks like here. The name suits it perfectly, like candlelight. That's exactly how I would describe this highlighter, is a candlelight. You know, it's not super intense. It's like a little flicker, you know, a little flicker of light on your cheekbone, basically. It is gorgeous. This is not shimmery whatsoever in the slightest. It's just like the most natural looking highlighter. Now, you guys know I love a blinding highlight, but I especially love this for my mom. Anything too intense or shimmery on older people is just going to bring out fine lines, bring out wrinkles, whatever. This on older skin is absolutely ridiculous. The nicest highlighter possible. Kevyn got you. Next up then, another product that I've been using to absolute death, as you will know from watching my videos, is the Milani Luminoso blush. It's a nice peachy undertone blush, but it has got a shimmer to it. So as you can see, even whenever you apply it, you still get a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of something, which is going to help blend your highlighter into it afterwards. So after I do my skin then, this is when I like to do my eyebrows. I actually have a full new updated routine on my eyebrows over on my channel if you want to check that out. What I have been using this past, I can't even tell you how long, is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 3. Like I said earlier, Benefit is known for its brows. Like, their brow products are just second to none. Literally what the name says, it's goof proof, alright? It's just so easy. It has a spoolie on the end, so if you do make any mistakes, very easy just to get rid of it. Moving on to the eyes. So this palette I actually got recently enough, but I just think it's the perfect neutral palette, but with a little bit of something. This is the Meat Matte Trimini, I don't know. Meat Matte palette from the Balm. Can you see this? Like, absolutely gorgeous. For someone who's wanting to kind of delve into color a little bit more, maybe go, you know, for your little bit of burgundy, these colors are just so nice. They're colorful, but they're still muted. Oh, guys. So Cloud 10 are amazing. They stock Doso colors on their website. Yes. No smelly customs. So Doso Colors have recently come out with 2 new palettes, the Sassy Siennas and the Blushing Berries palette. I haven't tried this one just yet, but I'll give you a wee go at it. That is what it looks like here. So if you're into your cranberry tones, you will love this. And then this is the new Sassy Sienna palette. So this is what I have on my eyes at the moment. These eyeshadows are insane. Insane. What I will say with these eyeshadows is a lot of kickback with them if you swirl your brush in them, but if you've been following my tutorials, then you know I only ever use the tiniest, teeniest amount of product because I don't actually set my eye base. I don't need to use an awful lot of product. I absolutely am obsessed with the Big Browns palette, which is what this looks like here. These are the perfect palettes to take traveling with you just because it has the nice mirror. It's not too like bulky or crazy. You can throw it in your handbag. A little bit goes such a long way with these palettes, such a long way. Next up, this will be absolutely no surprise to you guys if you watch my channel or follow me on Instagram or anything like that. The Stila Magnificent Metals. Obsessed with these. Guys, I've not been able to put these down since I got them, and you know this. Look at my Instagram. They are everywhere. Everywhere. I always get asked what my favorite colors are in them, and to be honest, I think it's more so down to like what you prefer yourself, like what colors you want to use and what colors you want to go for, because they're all insane. Now, the one I'm obsessed with and I haven't been able to put down is Sunset Cove. It's just this holographic baby blue, pinky, silvery magicness. Any of my glitter liner looks you've been seeing me doing, this is the one I use. There is different colors in this Stila that are quite similar, but to be honest, I go for Sunset Cove. I just think this is the most universal. I actually use this sometimes as a highlighter, guys, when I'm feeling adventurous. I'm just obsessed with it. You can use it by itself, just across the lid to give you a little bit of sparkle, or else you can use it over your gel liner like what I love doing, and it's just insane. What I love about these products is the fact that you can use them quite sparingly to get, you know, a little bit of a twinkle, or else you can go like full-blown drag on her ass and apply loads. If you are looking for a more neutral one, then the one I'd recommend would be Gold Goddess. So it's the one I have on my eyes at the moment, as you can see. They just take a basic eye look and make it killer. Moving on then to my favorite lip products. Obviously, you guys know I've been loving a glossy lip, obviously. Just because it's been so dry and ooey, and gloss actually makes your lips look so much bigger as well. I've been loving this lip gloss from Doso Colors. This is in the shade Undressed. I don't apply an awful lot of this. I think if you apply too much gloss, it slides around your lips and it just gets really messy. You only need to use the tiniest amount of this. It's super, super pigmented and very bright. So I love using like a darker lip liner and then popping this in the center. It just makes your lips look huge. I really, really like this lip gloss. Another product that I have been loving is the Stila liquid lip in Sogno. It's just this nice brownie nude. It's not nude, it's not brown, it's just a brownie nude. It's a really, really nice color. It's not too warm. It's actually quite like of a neutrally, more so cooler undertone. And yeah, that there is my March favorites for this month. I've got a huge range of products and so many more products I haven't even tried yet, but those are just the ones that I've been using an awful lot of recently. A lot of them have been some like golden oldies and some like big favorites that you guys probably know from watching my tutorials so much, but because this is my first favorites video as such, I wanted to throw in all my favorite products and just kind of keep them all together. I'll be trying out loads of new stuff then for next month. There's so many new products coming in that I'm super excited about and that you guys should be super excited about too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave full product details down below, and remember, you can purchase all these products off Cloud10. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Cloud10's channel. Also, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos with them throughout the year. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.